In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a group chat in Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Snapchat, and then we need to tap right here to head over to chats, and also we can just swipe to the right to get to our chats. That's where we need to tap at that button and then select new group. First off, we can enter group's name. I'm just gonna enter test group. And then we'll be able to add a friends to that group. To add a friends, just select users. In that way, just select those persons whom you would like to add to that group conversation. And after that, to create a conversation, tap at that button. That will create group chat, and then you can start messaging. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.